right, viewers, Modi government's GST reform has added joy to festive cheer across the country. Consumer euphoria is breaking records, but for the people of Congress-ruled Himachal Pradesh, the happiness was short-lived. Let me tell you how. From Monday, the cement prices dropped by 35 to 40 rupees per bag after GST on it was reduced to 18% from the 28% slab earlier. Thus, but the Sukhu Sarkar clearly didn't think this was okay. Why should people use cheaper cement? He must show his own governance model. And so the Sukhu Sarkar came back and used the opportunity to increase the tax on cement by 5 rupees, drawing ire from the BJP because this is the Khatakhat model. This is the model by which the Congress wants to make ease of living for the people. Listen in.
एक तरफ मोदी जी ने बचत उत्सव की शुरुआत की नवरात्र के पहले दिन से जीएसटी 2.0 से रोटी कपड़ा मकान डेली आइटम्स हेल्थ एजुकेशन सब कुछ सस्ता हो गया। सीमेंट तक सस्ता हुआ। जो 30% टैक्स पर होता था प्री जीएसटी में वो 18% पे आया। मतलब पहला घर आपका सस्ता हो सकता है। परंतु दूसरी ओर सुखू सरकार ने सीमेंट पर ही टैक्स बढ़ा दिया। मतलब कि जनता को कोई राहत नहीं मिलेगी।
Viewers, when it comes to shifting the burden on the Aam Aadmi, Himachal is not an aberration. From Himachal to Karnataka to Telangana, ensuring taxing times for public seems to be the only guarantee Rahul Gandhi and his party fulfill without fail. Prime Minister Modi also highlighted this today when he cited Congress history of tax terrorism era that he said the BJP had now ended.
कि कांग्रेस सरकारों के समय टैक्स की लूट मची हुई थी और लूटे हुए धन में से भी लूट होती थी। देश के आम नागरिक को टैक्स की मार से निचोड़ा जा रहा था। ये हमारी सरकार है जिसने टैक्स को बड़े पैमाने पर कम किया है।
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Well, Sanjay Jha, what an economics model this is. You say you care for the people, the common people, the people who are burdened by inflation, though inflation is not very high right now if you look at the indexes. But that's the argument the Congress party always uses. So what has the Khatakhat model done? Imposed extra 5 rupees. Bhai, loot lagi hai, loot sako to loot. And Sukhu sir is solving all his problems by putting that extra 5 rupee tax. You're mute, Sanjay Jha. Then don't say I've cut off your...
Navika, since you mentioned debt, let me just tell you right now that India's debt to GDP ratio under Modi government is crossed 83%. It's massive.
I didn't even raise the issue of debt, my friend. I didn't raise the issue of debt. I'm just saying, Aam Aadmi ko kyun maar rahe ho, bhai?
Yeah. Anyway, I think the people of our country need to know that under Mr. Modi's government, India's debt servicing costs are astronomical. It's going to hit all of us who are watching this program. It's going to bleed the future generations if we are not careful. Point number 2. This is the same government, Navika, under whom 1% of Indians own 60% of wealth, and where the GST over the last 8 years has exploited the poor and the middle class and collected rupees 55 lakh crore from them.
Sanjay Jha,
people watching the program need to know
Sanjay Jha, I know you are an alumni of Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, just as I am. But today, my question is so simple. 5 रुपए क्यों बढ़ाया? आप मुझे इकोनॉमिक्स की कक्षा में मत ले जाइए। 5 रुपए क्यों बढ़ाया? जनता को खुश देख नहीं सकते क्या?
The states under Mr. Modi's government were all inherited by the Congress. Whether you look at Karnataka and Himachal, look at the data even before the Congress took power. They had been already bankrupted by the BJP. Wrong. And end of day, the bottom line is that a state has to manage its own finances. They have their own development projects.
They have to manage their own finance. Then my friend, why do you raise questions about the government not lowering petrol prices? Cheaper oil is coming from Russia. उनको भी finance manage करना है ना भैया. तब क्यों नहीं ये आर्ग्यूमेंट समझ में आता है? आज आता है समझ में. संजय झा, you and I went to the same college, Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics. आपको पॉलिटिक्स याद रह गई, इकोनॉमिक्स आप भूल गए. सिद्धार्थ यादव, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड.
I will take that jive in good spirit, but the truth is the BJP doesn't understand either the politics or the economics.
And that's why they are ruling in 19 states and the country. और आप कहाँ बैठे हैं दुनिया को पता है. सिद्धार्थ यादव.
And Navika ji, let me also tell you one more fact, and that fact is in the past 10-12 years, if Congress party makes a government in one state, they do not repeat it in the next election. They have never repeated a government. It is just because the people get so done with the Congress party in the 5 years, because all they can do is talking. When they are up to governance, this is the model of Congress party that they give. What has happened to Himachal? We have seen what has happened to Himachal. हिमाचल में सैलरीज आप दे नहीं सकते. अरे संजय जी, इतना डोंट गेट सो रैटल्ड. फिर आप दूसरी जगह पे कैसे जीत जाते हैं? उसी इलेक्शन कमीशन से रिजाइन कर दीजिए हर जगह से. डोंट गेट इनटू दैट. बट व्हाट आई विश टू हाईलाइट टुडे इज wherever Congress party will form a government, they will only give misery to the people. जहां प्राइसेस कम हो सकते, ना लोगों को रिलीफ मिल सकता. इन स्टेट्स लाइक हिमाचल प्रदेश, which never after independence faced the crisis of paying the salaries to government employees, they saw this under the Congress regime. They saw what Congress party did with the economic model of Himachal Pradesh. Today, when people are getting relief under the next gen GST, when under the Prime Minister's leadership, the economy is boosting, everybody has more money in their hands.
Infrastructure building construction costs come from cement prices, but that price rise does not matter to the BJP. So Vivek Srivastava, ये आम आदमी पार्टी के आम आदमी के दुश्मन है क्या?
नहीं, कोई दुश्मन नहीं है. You know, in the GST Council, 2 states which did not support this particular decision were Kerala and Karnataka. And the reason was very simple. दोनों ने बोला we have apprehensions कि आप हमारा शेयर हमको कब देंगे, कैसे देंगे. Already if you're reducing the GST to this level. However, always the GST Council has taken unanimous decisions. So both the states are convinced by the central government and this thing passed off. Now, 5 rupiah is not a very great amount.
Oh, wow, 5 rupiah is not a great amount when the Congress increases it. When the BJP increases it, तो हाय मार दिया, मार डाला, लोग सड़कों पर आ गए. क्या तुषार गुप्ता, क्या आर्ग्यूमेंट है?
इंडिविजुअल
जिनकी शब्दों की कीमत 0 हो, उन्हें 5 रुपए क्या ज्यादा लगेंगे. But Navika, think about this. Himachal just witnessed one of the worst floods in recent months. This is the time to rebuild. People in villages would be rebuilding their homes, their shops, schools would be being rebuilt, and they have hiked the prices of cement. Look, I'll tell you something about Himachal. The election of Himachal is very interesting because it gets decided in Shimla, how Shimla votes. And that is where majority of the government officers live, who already have faced a delay in their salaries and pensions for the last few months. So they are voting out this government. My only problem is that Himachal wants to rebuild right now. Why would you want to tax something that is the foundation of that entire rebuilding process? People have been ravaged by floods this year, and you're making it difficult for them only to rebuild their homes. What kind of stupid economics is this? That is something I really want to know.
Tushar, you are basically calling the BJP's economics stupid till now. Basically, this is a wonderful public confession.
Tushar, 5 रुपए की कीमत, 5 रुपए की कीमत तुम क्या जानो संजय बाबू? तुम तो साउथ मुंबई में रहते हो. सोबो मैन, 5 रुपए की कीमत तुम क्या जानोगे संजय बाबू? साउथ बॉम्बे में रहते हो. पूछो हिमाचल प्रदेश में जिनके
What Sanjay Jha keeps crying about 1%, his own leader has an investment portfolio of 8 crore rupees. What does Sanjay Jha talk about being the 1%?
You are the man that the BJP needs.
No, I'm not the man. You are not the man the Congress needs. No, Sanjay, what you talk about 1%? Your own leader has a stock portfolio of 8 crore rupees.
Alternative news.
Jha, you've been predicting shit for the last 11
विवेक
years.
श्रीवास्तव, मुझे तो आपका भी लॉजिक नहीं समझ आया. केरला और कर्नाटका ने अपोज किया था, हिमाचल ने प्राइस बढ़ा दी. सिद्धार्थ यादव जी, आपको समझ में आया?
नहीं, बिल्कुल जीएसटी काउंसिल को के ऊपर ऑब्जेक्शंस थे. वी डिड नॉट हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट विल गिव अस बैक द स्कोप.
नहीं होनी चाहिए थी.
नहीं, सस्ती होनी चाहिए थी, तभी तो आप
28% तो नाविका जी, मैं विवेक जी से पूछना चाह रहा हूं. मैं विवेक जी से पूछना चाह रहा हूं, is Vivek ji trying to tell on your show that Kerala, which is ruled by communists, and Karnataka, ruled by Congress party, did not want this benefit to go to the end consumers? क्या वो जीएसटी का दाम कम होके लोगों को राहत मिलना नहीं चाहते?
That's the question of the day. विवेक बाबू, 5 रुपए की कीमत. Next time prices go up in a BJP ruled states, I will pull out the soundbite of today and run it for both of you gentlemen. Please, I'm warning you today because आज तो आपको 5 रुपए कुछ लग ही नहीं रहे. कमाल है. आम आदमी का मजाक बनाना आपसे सीखे कोई. How hypocritical political parties can be. Ladies and gentlemen, I just demonstrated live to you on the News Hour tonight. You draw your conclusions, क्योंकि सब कुछ आपके सामने है, and you are the judge. The final verdict is always yours. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight.
The News Hour at 9 will